Alright guys, we got Nissan Sentra 2019. We're doing add a key, and so the customer has this key and he needs a key on the control. It's technically add a key the same as all key lost. Alright, we are using the key tool plus. We have the key tool max pro, is the same procedure. So first off, turn the ignition on, and just to make sure he has a regular key, is not push button. So if you want to program the key and the control are separate, the control separate programming and the key separate. Alright, let's start programming first the key and then we go to the control. IMO programming. Let's go to Asian, Nissan. And this one, you need an internet, I need a Wi-Fi. You have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So USA. Let's go to Sentra. So we gotta go to Sentra, the first one, not the B18. Alright, is this one 2019, 13 to 19 is a flip key. Alright, key match 4-digit password. Click start. Alright, first you gotta read the PCM code, and then we go from there. Just read it first, click OK. Alright, so the PCM code is this one. When you click OK, it will generate the code for you, automatic. And click yes. And you need to be online. Alright, so you have, so technically I usually go to the new one first, and then if it didn't work, the new one, and go to the old one. So use the new one, take screenshot, 3646, click OK, and then we go to programming, and then click OK, 3646, turn the ignition on. Click here to say please insert the key and switch the ignition on. Click OK. Follow the step below and complete the programming. So technically what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the key out, the first key, and turn the ignition on, and you look for the security. See here flashing 5 times, and turn off. When it turn off, that's key program. Take it out and you put the second key. All the keys need to be programmed at the same time. Turn the ignition on. See it? Turn off, and that's it. Complete. And then you click OK. Alright, and now you check it out. You start the car. And no security light on. Check the second key. Perfect. Alright. Now let's go to program the remote. Exit. Go back, go back, go back, all the way back to, I think, select by system. So let's go back all the way. So Nissan, and you go select by system, and you go remote key adaptation, and now here you try either 1 or 2. So you go first with 1, click start programming, program remote, and now it asks you to press 1 button, and you will hear the flashing, and it say program success. That's it. Take the key out and he tested. That's it. Yeah, that's how we program it. So the key are separate than the control. You program the key first, and then either way you want to program the control first or the key first. And if it didn't work type 1, you just go to type 2. And when the program just asks you to press any button, lock or unlock, it will program it. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.